Hi everyone, this is Heidi with WTI, and these wire shelf dividers make it so simple to customize my closet space. I can't believe it's this easy to install dividers, and the organization is just wonderful. It keeps my things tidy and my closet space looking really beautiful. I use it for my purses and it keeps them standing up, not piled on top of each other. And it makes it so much easier to see them and even easier to reach for them. I can control how much space is in between each of the dividers. So it's a breeze to be able to customize the width that you need based on the size of the item you're putting there. I can't say enough about the ease of use and the convenience of having these wire dividers. And that's my point of view.